Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and do the math lesson for Friday, May 22nd. So this is kind of your last math lesson of the year. How weird is that? So we're going to do the math boxes, and it says lesson 7-6 at the top. So it says draw or write the name of something in the classroom shaped like a circle. So these are actually a preview for Unit 8. So in Unit 8, we would have been doing a lot with shapes. So you can just draw something, obviously, at home that is shaped like a circle. But don't just draw a circle. Make sure it's in something at home that is shaped like a circle. So look around and see if you can find them. So I'll have you do that on your own. Which picture shows a cube? Okay, so think of these. Think of which of these is a cube. Okay, remember, a cube is a three-dimensional object. Okay, meaning you can kind of hold it in your hand and you can turn it around and like that. Okay, so count by twos to write the number of dots. Count to find the number of squares. Now, we just started talking about this on Tuesday, okay, about arrays. Now, arrays are groups of, again, either X's or dots or whatever, arranged in kind of a rectangular shape. And you have your rows going across, and then you have columns going up and down. Okay, and what they want you to do is they want you to draw a line from each number sentence to the matching arrays. Now we drew some of those and came up with number sentences. So I'll do at least one of these with you, and then I'll have you see if you can figure out the other two. Okay, so when I look at this one, at this array right here, okay, I see some X's. I see 1, 2, 3. I see a row of 3 X's, and then I see another row of 3 X's. Okay, now I'm just going to give you a hint. A lot of times when they do number sentences, they think they go from side to side, okay, horizontal in those rows, and they think about how many there are. So I see 3, and then I see 3 more. Well, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that doesn't seem to make sense. But I do have 3 plus 3 equals 6, and I can see that there's 6 altogether. And let me just check the other one to be sure. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, yeah, that doesn't make sense. So based on the pictures, I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6 is going to be the number sentence that matches this array. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll draw a line from that to that, okay? So the rest of these should be real quick. So I'm gonna have you go ahead, pause your video to do your work, and then when we come back, we'll go over the answers, okay? Okay, guys, this was a pretty quick one, so let's go ahead and go over our answers. So draw or write something shaped like a circle. So I did a dinner plate, okay? And so on it, I drew a carrot, and then this is supposed to be mashed potatoes with a little bit of butter on top. So, but that's something in my house that is shaped like a circle. Over here, when we look, this very first one's a cube, okay? Just like our base 10 blocks, and we have those little cubes. That's a cube right there. So here, when I counted by twos, I counted 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I have 10 dots. Now here, I kind of counted by 4. So I said 4, 8, 12, okay? Or sometimes people like counting up and down, so you could do 3, 6, 9, 12. Either way, we still have 12 squares. And then down here at the bottom, we did this first one here. So when I look at this array here, I see, if I'm looking going across, I see rows of 2. And so then I see 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That doesn't seem to match with this picture. But I do see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And I can think 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10 altogether. And then over here, that would leave me with my rows of 4. So I have 4, 4, 4, and 4. So that equals 16. Okay, so here are your answers for math for Friday, May 22nd. Awesome job, everyone.